Hey, buddy.
Oh, hey, buddy. Today,
What we doing today?
I'm gonna fix problem number 3.
I beat you on that intro.
As you may know, I blew out my LEDs in my bumper.
Oh, yeah. I did hear something about that.
Yeah, I'm gonna be replacing that. I gotta replace the whole bumper. And it's a good thing that I used the UV glue
that UV
instead
glue?
of the super
Why?
glue, because if I use super glue, I probably wouldn't be able to get this bumper off.
Oh. But yeah, the UV glue isn't really that super. Oh, wow. So
That's crazy.
I won't be using that anymore. Or maybe I will. Because if I mess up, the UV glue, it comes right on off.
I have a point there.
I could just rip my model all apart.
You have a point
But
there.
anyway. Crazy. Yeah, I snipped that off. Sure did. Make sure I got the right wires.
It's a little too late for that, buddy.
Yeah, won't be needing that anymore. See ya.
Play that back. Hilarious.
Hobby Lobby.
Hobby Lobby.
Fun fact.
Ooh, I love these.
Hobby Lobby is my favorite hobby store.
That was stupid.
Probably because that's the only one I know of around Muskogee.
And that's just sad. It is a pretty nice
Anyway.
spot, though.
Going down my favorite aisle, I got one of my favorite nephews with me.
Wait, you only got 2?
Yeah, I do just got 2. But anyway,
We're looking for the 1970 Monte Carlo.
there it is,
And,
right there.
I think
It's
I
over
found
there.
it. Yeah, right there.
Yep.
That's it. 1970 Monte Carlo. That's
Yeah, I already
it.
said that.
Grab it. Throw it in the cart. Head to the front. And we out.
And your commentary sucks. Stretch that and shut up.
Da 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 da. Another Monte Carlo kit. Yeah, as you can see, I burnt the LEDs out in the bumper on an accident. That was problem number 3. So I'm gonna replace it because I can't let it go like that. I mean, I did all this hard work just to have a bumper that don't work. So I bought this other kit and I'm gonna do the bumper over and the grill. Then I'm gonna put that on and it's gonna work and it's gonna be great. You're gonna love it. Costs $27.99, folks. One mistake costs $27.99. It's ridiculous. Let's get into it. And there's a part right there. It's just taunting me. So we're gonna get that bad boy out. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the rest of the kit. I'll figure something out, but I just want this bumper. There it is. The bumper. So I'm gonna have to insert some LEDs into this bad boy. I'm gonna drill these holes out once again. Put some orange LEDs in there once again. Wire it up. And hopefully everything will be right. Once again.
So yep, just getting my LEDs right. Testing them out. I already got them soldered together.
Oh yeah, I'm digging the visuals.
Yeah, they working.
Yep, they working all right.
Now I gotta put them in the bumper. I gotta drill those holes out.
Yeah, we know all
I'm
this.
sure I already know how to do that, so I'm gonna fast forward. I'm just gonna test this wireless connector out. Make sure I don't have any shorts or anything. And what
the?
is this?
Oh my
Okay.
goodness. What are you doing? Oh. Had to get my strawberry milk.
Oh my. Now back to
What
business.
did I just see?
So I'm gonna okay.
You sure to be doing a lot of editing.
I mean, you guys know I'm silly, so
very silly.
I'm sure this don't surprise you that
Spit it out.
putting all
What are you
these
trying to say?
these edits in here.
Can't say
Just
that I'm surprised.
bear with me and enjoy my craziness.
Okay.
So yeah, I got the bumper on, got it installed. Yeah, it was looking nice. They actually work. I just didn't want to keep testing them out because I was afraid I was going to burn them out.
Yeah, we really don't need a
So now let's get on
third
this
video
engine
about
sound.
the bumper lights.
Now I was originally gonna have the speaker piggyback on some of the wires that I had already in the car, so that I could use the remote or the control or whatever to carry the sound through. But I mean, it worked. It's just that the little batteries that are used for the sound don't have enough juice to carry it through that thick gauge wire and
you need
the
an amp.
distance. You know, I would need some kind of amplifier or something. So
That's what I said, Gerald.
I just didn't do that. And I put the whole little kit and caboodle in the trunk. I mean, the speaker was gonna go in the trunk anyway,
in your life.
but I just put the whole
I
circuit
won't
board
murder
in the
you.
trunk and everything underneath the speaker, and got the button hanging out on the side. You know, I don't think it looked too bad, so
Yeah, it actually looks good.
It is what it is. And it actually sounds way better than this in person. I don't know why I sound like this on video, but
I've actually heard it in person also.
it sounds pretty much like, I mean, it sounds like a real car. And it just trips me out, you know, because the look
It's
of
like
it,
a real car.
you know, the sound, it's just, I like it, you know what I'm saying? So,
Yeah, I like it too.
yeah, there you go. I got the trunk installed too, by the way. I didn't show that because it was, you know, just me sticking the trunk in the spot it was supposed to go in the first place. So there I got the brake lights working with the, well, the tail lights working with the
You did a good
sound.
job, man. Looks really good.
And there's
Let's
my
go ahead and
extra
wrap this
speaker
up,
right
though.
there.
You know what I'm saying? I mean, you're going long.
I'm not gonna use that for anything, so yeah. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I know it's taking a long time for me to complete this, but you know, it's not really about the model. It was really about me just doing different things. So yeah, tell your friends, tell everybody. Peace.